Well, thanks for clicking through in the ad. Here we have a 191 Hyundai Tucson Petrol. Executive model with beautiful leather, which I'll show you in a minute. But on the outside, she has very few marks, one or two little scrapes. There's one there. The wheel arch, which we try and attend to, but all in all, it's very clean. Only got 44,000 kilometers and has just been serviced by Hyundai themselves. Taxed for a year. Comes with the external neon lights, nice chrome finish, roof rails there, you can see them. But what I love about this is the lovely leather interior. And what they've done is put the lovely black floor carpets and rear to the seats so that any young children kicking away there a little bit more forgiving. So there you go, perforated seats. Lovely. That's the interior there. Infotainment system as you'd expect in front. Apple Play, you got all the apps and whatnot there. Down here you've your air conditioning, heated seats, 6-speed manual, eco modes and park sensors on off there, cruise control, telephone. There's the mileage, 44,700 kilometers to be exact, and you even have park mirrors in this car too. So get in touch with us. It's just come in, reverse park camera there as you can see. Nick Jones is my name. I'll gladly give you a test drive. Just phone first please. Thank you.